Monchumo ligerelia bono na gukwani andonsi ya sobereta semarugoba ya bono chinga kichini gukwarigani ya semese ya mangana majia nyarugo kumanyigati ya retu aberetu gukwarigani ile kurose mambia lengentambe ukachinse chiga bono chia bono marugoba ekarochi ya ragire chinse isa tulitu kunelia Jumatatu tariki meronge bere nebere omutinyo gatano na gatatu mwaka bwechiri bubere na meronge bere nebere na mange abereka okolekana ayuaseri bwango chikugo sansamuranira na gukumanyia aswe marugoba ya bono litanganike gima tikatunyara mangana yua senchira yoko ya tuta.
We refuse to allow Kenya to go that direction. It must not happen and it will not happen.
Obo tutukano sobo choli bwa 2022 azimio baikira seki gambero na komochia IBC.
We shall hold the postponed elections on the 29th of this month. That's next Monday.
Obocholi Mombasa na Kakamega zekiro gyobo governor gokolekana litukolia Jumatatu tariki meronge bere na kenda omutinyoyo.
Bone kere baswa ime bachaga kutoita. Ncheka baba mnante neinega engitire chindo ebakatinye manyeti.
Kati ya baonchori ya bechinyanya kuro daraja mbili na sekigo sebasagane kambani ya Twiga yue kugachana koni ndagera ime ya Jokville ntokomanye.
Joshua uta nige aligani goko yaletera sinchira osegwetero muno bwimanyereryo igobono mwanchu muligere saranse Kenya gokomanya letirane nchenkoro ko Vincent Onyancha igoto gochaka kurwase county ya Kisii abonchereria ane bali bakoni chinyanya nsemo ya daraja mbili imeyo mucyobo songe county ya Kisii nigo basagane nseme ya muyoko gacha endagere manyakante buna Twiga eywe goto kensemo ya Jokville imeye county ya Kisii kolengano botukini ge korokie kibako bunankeli buna Twiga nige koni ya ligo liye chinyanya lirensa kege kolengano kuna abonchereria bali bakoni ya chinyachia wase enseme ya daraja egente gakotebekana kira barobwogo saga nensemo ya Twiga na gokora obusalyo bonene eyerra sara sensemeyo omurikyo itobene ndemo Steven igakira na sensemeyo na gotwalganira roboti rokobwatia
Mambia bono nache senkoro iti omusigone asakoro kutwiga twamanya konyora ekambani ekorukudaraja mbiri echimaneja abako babogole dichinyanya abaoni chinyanya batire geita basoire ime bone kere baswa ime bachaga kutoita ncheka baba mnante neinega engitire chindo ebakatinye manyeti
batufamire irega basarire chinyanya chito basarire ebinto byito batire chigari amagoro
Emambia lero aiga asensemo ya Twiga irange na eskuru ya daraja mbili secondary school niga bonchuli korwa asensemo ya banyara kwa bagusaga nigu asekeliva tebri na bonchuli korwa asechiro ya daraja mbili asengane nene na mangana rengito bonchuli mono bonchuli bechinyanya
mono ekibali kubuna bagoteba nkelinga mbatageti ekambani ya Twiga oni chinyanya ekiagera abakoni riguri rigija kubwa liechiro igo nara twarangeria security yaito ya Nyanchwa police station wetera se omo deputy county commissioner ito na atoma basigari abange mono bachicha banyora abantu bara abange balinga 200 300 bakorwana lakini mbacha ba leta utulivu
obuya bwa Twiga chinyanya teri gotone ligoro mono tarachambire batokore batogingere baketuki batokorire bakoni igoro Twiga teri gotona linyanya igoro tiabaisa nekenda naba tole mega iga na intunko ligitole chibese muna bakorigia
okoburukana kwa bemambia lero niko kwaleta salere na senseme ye company ya Twiga ere Jokville ewadi ya Kitutu Central ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South asale yuera mone binto byagachire ko ibuna gosaligu abaonchereria ko eguchingoma egente serikali ya ichaneire mono
njebweka banduaniri bangumisire bantandorere bakachianga bamwagire bakachisodo ko bwachisodo na chingu esibi etwale ko te abantu badaraja iga ntu tote tomorembe
tarachambiri ntoligo chipi estoka bera Twiga togo sinyu Twiga tutaenda oloitoktok atutaenda daraja mbiri
kolengana no mokonyi bo mo commissioner Kisii Township Jen Mora nigaenekiri bune serikali nekoro botuki bwaime kweneki bali bakorama mochorero nkori rubali getambukiro kielichiko ningane yo kogayani gubuya
igo nali korwa onyene ne mono ochiaba amantu baito badaraja mbiri bali bakole biasara nga tiba basako kora mangana buna yo kiagera na sara balete ne mono
tosabirane toena no moremba asikero omonto ndo chigo toka chia dui onyore toko onyore twagosanire njira tiga tuanchane
no nabali baiba ebintu ebinge mono ntoche tonyole ebintu ebye kiagera umuchifu n'abantu bande mbalengega igo togoteba nyokwira kende kiabande nabo kwirani
magega yogo sanga na boncholi korwa senseme na ababwatani korwa serikali nigabonege kura Kenya reko bagekorwego ase serikali ye county ya Kisii konyara kone kibuno kubwatira na nkororo gati ya bonchireri ime county ye kolipotire getaseni kia Ndizi TV elietaliane Ndemo Steven
Mbiamono humulikito Ndemo Steven nasoro bochurwa senchira yobo ikiranu mwemusiyo mochole kurwase wodi ya basi boitangale ni gobona bereka wesokia na kubakira mbiamono amenyi benseme ya soko nyara ko mwali bagali yogo chiko barase emyake 5 erebosiona na boni gate birubuna na chikone kingo nyara ga wikene chire chiri abetega ko baliere kerale wake campaign asensemeyo omulikito bene Josephat Amisi noroboti urwa senchira yobo ikiranu
Omwemsie omochore ime wodi ya basi boitangale Thomas Obare Nyabaro nigo irire chinga kichena kubakira mbiamono asaba menyi bensame ya basi boitangale wesokia aso bonge chitariki kianda cy'umutenyo yo gatano gatatu na kweneke ngabanyara ko bakomwakera ikura buna bono omurayira nyara ko bagakora wodi eyo ase myake 5 eremotwe Thomas Obare boigo nigo atebire arachiko baga kwenekia ngonyare ko baga kubwatirana nabarai bande ao abanyare ko bagochorwa na kweneke buna amagendro ase wodi yo ya basi boitangale anyare ko baga gwikigwa ase kerengo keigoro
Chen Thomas Obare Nyabaro MC elect basi boitangale ndagete gwakira abantu baminto basi boitangale mbiamono asogochori bakorete nandi mbae pongezi asengencho ya amani banyarire gukip egenteke nengo tabanga intu twakoreta mangano bochori ono kubwatira nabarai bali bande bachore tubwatira nega baneito Paul Simbarati tubwatira no moseneto itonyonka no women rep Donya Doris Aburi tonyare gukora abantu baito amagenderero tu no komenta nayo no mubungo itonero biri onyore bochoro nechikura chinyinge tonyare como sira nande tubwatira na 20 pito kora abantu baito amagenderero
omurai uyu omochore boigo nigo ansabiro mulembe onyare ko bago kogendera imense ya Kenya anena se county ya Kisii na boigwe wodi ya basi boitangare ekirabono ekigambiro ekenegia Kenya Supreme Court kegendrete ko bage gotegerera ebirero ao anene byabarai bali batanyarete ko bagoisaneka ase amachibu yobochori ayanyarete ko bagakubwato kwa
gento kende ngochiko kwanira na gosaba abantu bamintu ba remain peaceful na togendreta mangana yaye naigwete azimio ngofairire kesi kia the Supreme Court tosabe abantu Kenya ingima batu aromorembe tukanyete outcome ya Supreme Court na kie koti guchikorul sengenjo bana ngwana bali school egento bonete tegete no morembe
igoro ya magendro aranyara ko bagwikirania ase wodi yae Thomas nigo aenekirie ingara chiko bagakorigereria anene amagendro ase ekegorikia basae abangina na boigo abagaka na kwenekia ngachinya gitari na boigo chipara cyanyarire ko ba achikorosigwa ase ekerengo kelia kewenerete
egente kanene talia handouts egente kanene intutagete buna basi boitangale abana baito basome tonyore estime binyoro bito ime youth abasa baito nabanyare go siro nabangina banyare konyora na kende nabaroba kore kwerende teko make sense nga na chora tu nkagenga usenga ngukukumira na kwa musini
gati ya babwatani bae boigo nigo baenekirie buna Thomas Obare na hajikoenekia buna amagendero anene gucha saba menyi be wodi ye ya basi boitangare nigo arachiko bagawikira nigwa kubatakana ne chira anyareta ko bakobaliera abamenyi bensameyo
tumugambi nakwanire umugambi n'umuntu twegene tukuru mwazo kesaboli liria nande muna itakabolia nanda gatoikia makerikia ene sauti ya radio otu amaitenga radio ne tutangasira ale toigu
Reporter Ndizi TV kurwe ward ya basi boitangare ime county ya Kisii eliterane Josephat Amese.
Biyamono muri kito Josephat Amese asoroboti rwa senchira yobo ikirano moncho muri gotigana nere Josephat Amese oyole koligiye kergo kyobure bwense goetera ekyama kya ODM inse yobo mobwa ya Azimio One Kenya Raila Odinga ni gobono asentunde nde aberga kwa milio bochori wabo kolekano mwako yoiga abwase umrewe kyama kya UDA kurwa muri wa Kenya kwanza beteka kuraligwa buno mubui aso obochori yobo na bo Raila ni gate bire buno bututukano ni gwa bete boko ene kigwa asama chibu yobochori asate bire buno nemero beli yabangetu ase sava yabete ko igurwa nabo igo abate nabo igo au barenga bwatani baje William Samoei Ruto bakayotorana obochori na machibu y'umwako yoiga Raila niga yakwana ya mayanyake gotebekana buna barigo chiwancha baroboko urobochori obwo asebate bire buna go ikobochori bochikuirorerwa eliaba Kenya banyare konyora obo ene bwabo maiga yokundirwa ne kyombekeri kyobochori ne chimbebe IBC kati yabo ni Raila boy government reka gote buno kwerusia kwa commissioner bana kurwa se kyombeki kyobochori ne chimbebe IBC ne kyorokererie ekenene buna bwabwato boseiti boisaine kati yabo ni gate bire buna kati ya machibu abeteka kubwato kwa ne kyombeki otali kubwatana korengana ne kerongo kimia buna barenga goteba gati ya biri bagote ya buna bagochiko ne kinna ekigambero nkuligerekera sobwagale na konyara koba oboene bwabo.
We have seen the speed with which they have moved to buy elected leaders just within 1 week. After being denied the numbers at lower levels elections, like members of the National Assembly, members of the county assemblies and governors, these corruption cartels are working and buying leaders who have been elected on other parties' tickets to kill our democracy and also make the work of containing corruption at lower levels equally less effective. All these efforts have important political costs for our country, and they should not be important political costs for our country, and they should not be underestimated. The corruption cartels know there are multiple benefits for them if they take over. Their members dealing in illegal drugs will thrive through greater ease in the transportation and distribution of drugs throughout the country. They will access intelligence information for more corruption. They will gain protection from the police for their leaders and their illegal activities. They will institute weaker or no restrictions at all for the money laundering, and they will ensure nobody else but them thrive. The 2022 presidential election represents the most daring move by that cartel to overturn the wishes of the electorate. We refuse to allow Kenya to go that direction. It must not happen, and it will not happen.
Bono kirayu agendrete gobono omukonyi oye asomo bwazimio wana Kenya mathakarua ni gobono ashinga kichinere bona bakagote buno babwate na bokene mbachikonyoro obusibole bwabo kolengana no kwamerere kwa bugekero kyobocholi bwense osobora ibwense obono babo kuraligwa bwangega kolengana na karua ni gatebire buna Ruto ni gabwaterenta amagati yabo bisabe kyombekero kyobocholi ne chimbe ABC na bogona gati yabana siasa gete asoko ne kubuna ngotora na bare obocholi umwakoyo.
Inawezekana na itawezekana. Tulisema tangu mwanzo, ours is victory deferred, but it is coming home. Tumepeleka kesi mahakamani. Sasa kwa vile iko kwa koti, tutangojea uamuzi. Lakini ni muhimu wananchi wajue ni nini tunasema. Tunasema ile ilifanyika ni uhalifu wa hali ya juu, criminal enterprise. Chebukati willfully akafungua servers, akapatia watu wa deputy president of an outgoing regime. Wakaingia huko wakafanya zile numbers wanataka.
Na gotigara boigo samangana lengete no bochori wekergo kyobure wense ni gobono murewe kyamakeri kya Wiper Steven Kalonzo Musyoka atebire bunambale go chikobo onde wense asokogandira kwa merelia obochori bo mwako yega ni gochinga kyechanyaraga ko mwakera Martha Karwambi yamono asowanchira na kobwatana na Raila Odinga anaso kwa merelia obochori bo mwako yega ni go Kalonzo atebire buna goika ense ya Kenya bwegana bwatani bonse bachikonyoro bwene bwabo asekigambiro kera chikona cha na kurua okonasha kwao.
Yale ambayo Mungu ametupatia kama nchi ya Kenya. Nataka ni mshukuru ndugu yangu mkubwa Raila Odinga kwa kusimama wima. Na dada yangu Martha Karua ambaye ni senior counsel. Ameangalia hiyo case mpaka akaweka sahihi. Basi msiwe na wasiwasi. Mwishowe tuwe tayari kabisa, na tusiogope yeyote ila tu Mwenyezi Mungu. Mimi Buffalo Soldier niko tayari. Wangapi wako tayari? I want to address the foreign missions and embassies accredited to this wonderful nation. We see that most of you were observers, but some of you were weak to tweet even before the results were known. Some of you took sides. One of them told me watu wako wametupa viti juu ya kichwa changu. We want them to remain neutral. Kenya is for Kenyans. We shall never compromise our national sovereignty for a song or whatever. So let them wait now. Those who are quick.
Na chinga kicho yo kabiro mo seneta we county ya Siaya boy gorobono mo governor we county yo James Orengo oyoro yo mo gati ya bali abakoigerera oko nachwa anene ogotekerana kwobocholi obumwako yo igani gate biri bunambale no kwegena ekegambiro ngo chigo kora asenchira yo bohene asokonyara ko ene kuna obocholi obungo tuguterubulale no bochiro bwokora bojia kolengana Orengo ni gate biri bunagati emero bali babeke na boy gobo site oli babere bakorogokira chekegambiro na uborairere anda kobocholi gochigo koleka na bojia sentundende asekeli batebire buno bocholi obumbwa koleka ntegoetera senchira yobwasiro no bwasuko amone kyombekeli kyobocholi ne chimbe IBC na Orengo ni gatebire buna onyobocholi bogochiko irolerwa asekero gokyobo raibwensa igasense ya Kenya mbali gochigo itaba bokorwe inse ya yomunyakiro obwekombeki kyobocholi ne chimbe IBC Wafula Chebukati.
This one, I can tell you, is a bombshell. And we've got so many smoking guns. And I think at the conclusion of this petition, you're going to have a determination in favor of Raila Odinga. We have got a cocktail of orders that we want from the court. But we could have a rerun if the court so orders. But we think we have circumstances in which the court can actually retaliate the forms, 34As, 34Bs, and take account and determine the person who really won the elections. And indeed, we want the declaration by Chebukati quashed. And if it is quashed, it means like nothing happened. So the matter can go back to the Electoral Commission, but minus Chebukati. We are accusing Chebukati of criminal conduct, of transgressions that amount to violation of leadership and integrity requirements as spelled out in our constitution.
Na boigo ekera yuagenrete gati ya bari bichikanisa bono ni goba bere bakubolia bakenya koene kibuna nkonyara wale koene kyomurembe noboto ereru ekero kiribone obo mubwazimyo wani Kenya babiro kasike gambiro na kwamirilyo bocholi bwabo abari bichikanisa abakora wa nomo Bishop Maki Kandime kurwase county ya Bungoma ni goba tebire buna buraburu chincho chibase koene kigwa na kubolia bakenya kwa batereru koika abanyodro konacha kurwase ekigambiro.
And resilience, they go back to work. It's business as usual. So we don't spend time quarreling and arguing. We go to work.
Hitaji amani na umoja, hatuhitaji amani, umoja na development. Hatuhitaji bickering around. Wakae wapeleke mambo yao polepole, lakini wasiturudishe kwa ile mambo ya hafla ya kuumizana vile ilikuwa mbele.
Na chinga kichibono abaraiba bana siasa mune ya mabyage siasa ni goba gandi boy gobo toereru na boy go omrembe ekerokelia bagendrete kubulia okona chakurwa sekagambero kone kiwasobwango elio abantu banyara kwirandira nasemerebo yabo tambe abarayabo bebya mabyage siasa bakora wana Elsi Muhanda na Dani Mugofo kurwase county ya Kakamega nigoba tebire bunamba basekone kiose bantu basowancha koleta buraburu chinde chonse kerokelia baganye toko na cha kurwase ekagambiro.
Na sasa pia usalama wa watu wa IBC iko matatani. Mimi naomba sheria na maskari wa ulinzi walinde hawa watu wetu wa IBC. Vile kesi inaendelea kuendelea na ndio vile changamoto zinatoka mingi na mingi.
Wasimamizi wa kura wa IBC sasa wako katika hatari. Na ukiona kidnapio hivyo, hiyo ni kuonyesha kwamba kuko na interest fulani ambapo wanachukuliwa ndiposa ushahidi mahali fulani ipotee. Ndio tunaomba serikali iendelee kuwalinda ndiposa hata benye kesi iko mahakama ya juu ile ya Raila Amolo Odinga kama kiongozi wetu iko juu na tunahitaji usalama ikuweko.
Na chinga kiecho gati ebyombe bitali bya serikali ni kubogo byeso kirigo chia anakubaboli ya Kenya mbaba se gutwara buraburu chine chonse boy go hekera kiritoro chi asetokanyete ekigambero konyara kuruko na chakwabo asobo shori bwa kolekano mwako yega kolengana ebyombe bitali bya serikali ni gobabere ba komenta buna kolengana buna ekigambero kirabe kona cha Abakenya baiterana baitabirane owancho kuona boy gomba base gutwara buraburu chinde chonse injara ya nigago cha maiga yomo Azimio wani Kenya goikaseke gambero litukolia lero na kwamerilyo bocholi wabo kolekana bwango igabuna ni gobwa koletwa senchere tali yobwasiole no bwasioku.
Appealing to all Kenyans to be patient, to remain calm, to remain peaceful, to continue with our daily activities, livelihoods, as case against the presidential results is being filed.
We are very happy and really very grateful to all the leaders of this country. They have really observed a lot of peace and patience because they know that peace is.
Na boigo ekra yuagenrete nigo Abakenya bande bane babere boikaseke gambero elio na korwa ebirengere byabana na soko beke kinaseke gambero anenenchero bocholi bomwako yega bwabo kolekana gati yabo nigo be murungane ilio bocholi obumboko lya senchire yobwasiole no bwasio ku abande bagotebu no bocholi obumbo kolekana ta senchira ye engiyana kugania engana yazimio wani Kenya go tuguterwale no naboni gambero tebiremba chikuligereria ebirengere byabo na kuligereria obusaiti baratware igoro yenganejo elibanyare kuruboigo okona chakwabo.
We have another petition which is being filed right now. This is petition number, the E number which has been assigned to the petition is presidential petition number E003 of 2022. Khalifa, George Osewel, Ruth Mumbi, Grace Kamau. Those are 4 petitioners versus in IEBC and the chairperson of IEBC. We have Electoral and Boundaries Commission, second respondent, His Excellency William Ruto, third respondent, and the Attorney General, interested party. The petition is being filed by the law firm of Otieno Gola and Co. We will allow them, since we had previously made an announcement, the working desks for council on this other side of the registry. We will allow them to arrange their documents before our staff pick them for verification. In case of any defect in your pleadings, you will be able to be notified for you to give us an explanation or do a correction. Okay.
Na kiro togo tigarana kumulikira mangana renge tobo chori na baiga sensemo ya siasa no nyamaega yobo chori gotakolekana se county ya Mombasa na bone county ya Kakamega ni kubono munyakiro obekembe kyo chori ne chimbe IBC wa flache bukati atebire buno bochori obuni go bochi okolekana litukole Jumatatu saliki emerongebere na kyanda omutinyo go gatano na gatatu kolengana je bukati ni gatebire buno babekire merobere isene na mbaganda ete kwero beli boikirano eliko ne kibuno bochori wekero kyo bo governor ase county ya Mombasa na bone county ya Kakamega gokolekana bune asenchira yobwasi oli no bwasi kugwanchira konde wansigoteyo nyirabono asama tukabwanga igoime ye county ya Mombasa bali kuligiye kergo kyobo governor sensemeyo okorwa sekyama kia UD na baigona ODM munigo baba kwe murungania asogote ya bunambali go osemba go chuwanchirana anene ekyombe kali kyobo choli ne chimbe bali babege tuwekera nimero bali ya sensemeyo konyara gotenera obo choli yobu kono nabone ngana itaraba ge kuligererwa asekolindo munyakero bwekyombe kibono ya IBC wa flache bukati atebire buna obo choli yobo chikokolekana stariki mmerongebere na kyenda omutenyo yo.
Today we met candidates for the various elective areas where we postponed the elections. These elections were supposed to be held on the 9th of August. That's gubernatorial candidates from Mombasa County, Kakamega County, and 4 members of National Assembly, constituency candidates from West Pokot, 2 West Pokot, Rongai and Kitui Rural, and some MCA positions, all totaling up to 8. We have had a very good meeting with the candidates and together with the team from IBC, and we have agreed that we shall hold the postponed elections on the 29th of this month. That's next Monday. All the elections which were postponed will be held on the 29th of August 2022. The Commission has already prepared, the ballot materials are already here. We are also in the process of preparing the KIMS kits to ensure they are in the various elective areas during this week. And the returning officers have also attended the meeting. They'll be preparing the staff who will participate in those elections. We have also allowed the candidates to do campaigns for the next 4 days and stop for 48 hours before the election date on Monday 29th. The Commission will also be reaching out to the Minister of Education to avail the schools in those areas for voting on that particular day. And so generally the issues that are affecting all the candidates have been discussed and resolved.
Boigo mwaziri wesemi Professor George Magwani gacha kiribene omurobelio onemis oyubono orabe gokone kibuna enchira borokyo ba okora chiskuru ngonyare ba kogacha obokorina boigo na machibu abo senchira yekerero asensemelia ya KICD se Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development ego magwate yabuna goetera somurobelio onemis ni gora chikokonya bayiboli ngakindi cyonse goetera senchira yekerero konyara kumanya nakia bana babo bagendrete gokora ase chiskuru.